Reverse mortgages are not what you think they are. Many people think reverse mortgages are only for people in trouble. It's very old thinking. Today's rules are safer, and financial planners that are educated on this topic use them to manage risk all the time. The idea is very simple. You store extra cash where it grows as a credit line that you can tap when needed. It's like an umbrella that you open long before it rains. Smart planning means setting it up early when you have choices, not waiting until you are forced to act. Relying only on savings and investments can create stress when you head into retirement. Markets go up and markets go down. Health costs pop up. Taxes take a bite. If all your cash flow must come from selling investments or cutting spending, you may feel cornered and without very many options. That's not a fun way to spend retirement. Waiting until money is tight reduces your options and could lead to worse terms. In fact, you may not qualify at all. The problem is not planning early enough to add a flexible, standby resource to your retirement toolkit. So when the market drops, selling investments can lock in losses. That can shrink your future income. If you must borrow later, you might face higher rates or stricter limits. Waiting can also increase worry for you and your family and a lot of unnecessary stress. By treating home equity as a first resort planning tool, you build a buffer that can protect your portfolio, your lifestyle, and quite frankly, a good night's sleep. Early setup gives you control, choice, and time. So a reverse mortgage line of credit can be set up when times are good and left alone to grow. You don't have to use it now, but when markets fall, costs jump, you can draw from it instead of selling your investments. That helps your savings recover. You decide if and when to make payments. It's about control and flexibility. First resort planning is very different than using a reverse mortgage as a last resort. It means that you're preparing today, so tomorrow's surprises are way easier to handle.